at that. There's some rotation in there. Yeah, holy cow. Holy cow, yeah, there's rotation. I see it. Holy shit. I saw some rotation, low-level rotation, rapid rotation, just north of Route 6. No, this, I actually saw it, so. Up and north, just north of Route 6. Where it bottoms out and then bounces. There's a downdraft too at the back end. Downdraft, and then I saw a rotation. So, I don't know what else it would be other than, you know, I see what appears to be a low wall cloud. I mean, I don't think the radar reaches here, so. I mean, I would issue a tornado warning. Okay, I'm a spotter, so. Yes. John Calvin, if you want to look at my YouTube and don't play. Okay. I'll get going. Bye.